Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. This video's problem is find the difference. 389, find the difference. You are given two strings S and T. String T is generated by random shuffling string S and then add one more letter at the random position. Return the letter that was added to T. So let's look at the example. A, B, C, D. T is A, B, C, D, E. E was added. Okay, so one way to do this is we can have a unique chars is a set of S. So these are our unique characters. And now we iterate for characters in T, each character. If character not in unique chars, return char. Submit. Oh, right, because the letter that was added can be a letter that's already there. So it's not a unique one. That complicates things a little. So what we can do is we can use a counter from collections import counter. Let's just call it count chars. Now for char in T, if char not in count chars, return char. If count chars of char is 0, return char. Else, we just, not else, we don't need it, we just reduce count chars of char is minus or equal to 1, we just reduce it. Okay, not such a good solution. Let's just run again, submit again, and see if for some reason the runtime gets a lot better. Well, the runtime is better than 91.8. The memory is still bad, just got a little bit better. Let me check the solutions. Best bit manipulation. Okay. Solution. It first checks if S is longer than T. If so, it means that an extra letter is present in S, so it loops through the characters in S. Well, we already know that it is longer, don't we? No, S is always smaller because T is string S plus another one. I'm wondering if I could do something with sorting the array, sorting the string. For each character in S, check if the count of I in S is greater than the count of I in T. If this connection is met, means that the extra letter that was added S, so makes the loop. If S is not longer than T, okay. For each character in T, check if the count. So it's counting everything over and over again. I think that's even less efficient, unless the count function of Python is better, and you don't even need to break because you're returning, and you don't even need S is bigger than T if T is bigger than S. We already know that. So for I and T, if T count I, yeah, we can just submit this. That's even worse than what I have. And it says it beats 90 something percent. Yeah, of course it's worse because it's counting things over and over again. So guys, this is my solution, and I'm sticking with my solution. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.